This is my wallet filled with Memecoin profits, $2.43 million to be exact. And no, I didn't buy a single one. I actually launched them. And I'm showing you exactly how I put this off, step by step. I was stuck in the same loop as everyone else, buying trending meme coins, hoping for a quick flip. Then I realized, the winners weren't the buyers, they were the launchers. So I switched sides. Now I create the token, I own the first liquidity, and I decide when to pull profit. And the crazy part, it's not even hard. If you're still trading, you're giving someone else your money. Start launching, it's repeatable, it's scalable, and it actually works. And by the way, this video was made for educational and entertainment purposes only, so please don't copy me. Pump.Fun is flooded. There are too many coins, too fast, and yours gets buried before anyone even sees it. But on Create Tokens.io though, your token launches straight to Raydium and gets instantly graduated. You are not stuck waiting in some queue. That means it's live, listed, and ready for real buyers in seconds to fucking ape in. You launch and it's tradable instantly. More exposure, faster price action, and way higher chances of your coin to catch momentum. And trust me bro, every single coin that is graduated and on the Raydium DEX is gonna make you bank. Once you are on createtokens.io, you've got two clear ways to launch a coin. Method 1, build from scratch. Pick a name, a symbol, and a logo that ties into a viral narrative. It could be a political meme, a tweet that's going crazy, or even a joke you saw trending yesterday. Literally anything will make you cash. Okay? Then upload a 128 by 128 image, click next, and boom, your token is ready to mint. Method 2 though, and this is the one I always go with. Copy a trending coin. This tab shows you active tokens from Pump.Fun that are already getting traction. All you do is you hit copy and it's auto listed on Raydium. The reason why it works so well is because you're tapping into coins that already have hype, volume, and attention. All these coins will make you money. So buyers show up instantly and you are positioned for way bigger flips without starting from scratch bro. Trust me, copying coins is the play. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking bro and just explaining stuff, but let's actually launch a coin and make some money. So first of all, connect your wallet. It's that simple. It's with Phantom. Then refresh the list. And then here we're gonna look for a coin to copy and make a quick buck off of. Now which coin looks good? I think I'm gonna go with the Mafi coin. It has a last buy 3 seconds ago and a $38.8 thousand market cap. So first of all, create coin, then ignore the warning, it's completely normal, passed through it, confirm, I understand, confirm, then the coin should be copied shortly, you just have to be patient real quick. Boom, and if I go on view on SoScan, you guys can see that the coin is officially live on the blockchain, so the website is legit. But anyways, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really fucking easy. Basically we're just adding the liquidity to the pool so that it will pop up on the Raydium DEX and people will be able to buy and sell into the coin and exchange money for tokens. Now here, select your coin, token B, select here, amount token A, click 90%, that's going to put 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. Now when it comes to the token B right here, this is where you fund the first buy, into your own coin obviously. It's not money lost, you're literally buying your own token to kick things off. The minimum is 0.3 Solana, and that's just to create the initial pool. You'll be the first buyer, so you control the entry price and volume. And later on, when you pull out the liquidity, that so right here comes right back inside your wallet. Simple, clean, and fully in your control. I'm gonna put 0.4 Solana. And make sure you have enough here, then create pool. Your Phantom Wallet should pop up. Then click on confirm. When that is done, simply click on refresh. And if you scroll down, boom, the Memecoin is now live. Now you can see your live profits right here on the third block. Now for now it is at $0, but if you click on refresh real quick, now it's at $150, which means that people are actively trading it and buying in. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart, and boom, the coin is now live. Let me go on full screen. Now all you have to do is just wait for the chart to load up. Okay, what the hell is going on here? What the fuck? Yeah, it's fucked up, but just give it some time, okay? It is gonna go up. Now, since it is on the Raydium DEX and it was created with create tokens.io, you will get way more buyers, way more profits, and that's how it works, right? Now, the market cap right now is at $1.8 thousand, and now all we have to do is just wait, sit back, and watch all the buyers run in. So enjoy the time lapse, and yeah, bro, be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Looks like we're at the $4,000 market cap and 1.8k in liquidity. Now it looks like a good time to cash out profits. Obviously, if you wait longer, it is gonna go higher and higher, but bro, sometimes making too much money is bad. Anyways, come back to the site real quick, and then we're gonna refresh the chart or whatever the fuck. Okay, boom, we're up $1,689, bro, with a $4,000 market cap. It's absolutely insane. Now, click on the minus button, and here you can choose the percentage that you want to remove. I'm gonna do 100% of the liquidity. Remove the liquidity, your phantom wire should pop up. And as you guys can see, we're up 8.8 SOL. Click on confirm right now before it fluctuates. And boom, we just removed the complete liquidity. If I open my phantom wallet real quick without cutting anything, 1.6 bands straight inside my fucking wallet. Boom!